In front of me is Honor 400 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Apps. Now hit App Twin. Use gray switcher next to an app you wish to clone and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my app was successfully cloned. If you want to delete this clone, go back to the same settings. Use now blue switcher next to your app and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!